Hey, embroidery for beginners. I just had somebody ask me, how do you go back a step if you're stitching and something goes wrong? How do you go back a few stitches or an actual color? So what you want to do is hit this little needle minus plus button. And if you want to go back an entire color, you hit the minus with the spool of thread, or if you would like to jump ahead, you just hit the spool of thread plus the plus. So say you're stitching and you run out of bobbin thread and you just need to go back, say 10 stitches. So then you would just hit the minus 10 and then that will take you back 10 stitches, or you want to jump forward, you go plus 10. It's really easy and I hope that helps.